What are you doing? Are you eating it again? The smell is so bad.
Why? It tastes good. You wanna join?
No, I'm not. Why you eat it in the room? You should go to eat it outside.
I want to eat here, right here. What should I do? My brother is very angry. I think I should do something. Wow, the orange spring are many choices. Look interesting. Wow, sugashi.
A few moments later.
Finally, I got it.
The next day.
So fast. Smell bad is gone. How?
You use this. I would like to recommend the old spray, sugashi.
How is it?
This product has a smell fresh and unique scent.
But at our room have pet. Wouldn't it be good for pet?
It's good for pets because it gets advice from experts. It's safe for people and pets.
The technology from Sukashi natural extract essential oil from lavender and orange peel, remaining the freshness of fragrance in your home. No chemical. Applicable in room with pet.
Wow, it's great. How much?
It's inexpensive. It's just 99 baht.
So I'm going to buy it tomorrow. Could you bring me there?
Oh, of course.